see. Maybe the frogs like this.
Frogs do, yeah. There's lots of frogs in here, probably.
Frogs can go all the way deep. I can't swim really well. But yeah, I can be frogs. So look over there.
What is it?
It's this thing grass.
Yeah, grass growing. Water grass.
Yeah, the grass
Yeah.
is long. Yeah.
There's lots of froggies and wildlife in there, isn't there, hiding? Do you think there's a crocodile in there? Come on, we better go if there's a crocodile in there.
Wait.
Is he going to come out and get us?
Wait. For the guy. Okay.
Come on then, let's go.
Go this way, and stop. Okay?
Okay, is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you show me then how you do it. I'm watching.
There's frog and crocodile, okay?
Okay.
Then first.
Is crocodile going to get me now?
No, we don't. We're going to stay back.
Come on then, go then. Go then, Chanel.
No, you. So come on, go. Go back.
Are you the crocodile? Are you the
Dinosaur.
crocodile king?
Yeah,
Ah.
this one. And Dinosaur King too.
Dinosaur king as well? Is there dinosaurs in here?
Yeah.
We better find them. We better hide if we see one. Haven't we? We hide in the grass then, don't we? Come on then, let's go. Let's go and find see what else we can find. Come on then.
Let's go find this dinosaur.
Let's go and find the dinosaur.
I don't like that pond. Down this.
What's down there? Which way should we go now? Should we go that way or should we go that way? What do you think, Caden? Chanel, Caden?
We think it's a home that we see.
Should we go that way? Caden, should we go that way
Yeah.
or should we go that way?
This way.
Which way do you want to go? Tell Daddy. What about you, Chanel? Which way do you want to go? That way or that way?
That way or that way?
Yeah, which way?
This way!
You want to go that way?
Yeah.
Do you think it's a bit narrow there though?
That's a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs might be down here. Big, massive
That's not.
triceratops.
What? They're not real.
They're not, they are.
Yeah, there is. You want to see? I see the big one.
Should we have a little, we'll just have a little walk in here, okay?
You want to see dinosaurs in there? Dinosaurs good to fight.
You have to be quiet then.
That's a tool. Sorry. Dinosaur King. What's that dinosaur? And those are shiny icons. At his hair! At his hair! At his hair!
Don't let the dinosaurs hear us.
At his hair something. Now see dinosaurs. I see T-Rex.
You want to see a T-Rex?
I see T-Rex and Triceratops. That's what I want. I see spiky shoulder pads. I want to see.
Spiky shoulder pads.
Yeah,
Do you?
like a dinosaur.
Ah.
That's why. Shoulder pads is this. Kill zombies.
To kill zombies?
Yeah, that's right. It's red.
Is there zombies here too?
Yeah, it's that.
What? We got zombies here.
Yeah, no, they're not.
What?
They're not. That's something.
No zombies here.
That's like funny.
I think we've got to be careful not to go off the path here because you can go too far into it.
Okay, stop.
But that might take us down to that path though, maybe. Don't take us up there then.
Dinosaur, then we go here. Okay, let's go here first.
Right. I bet it'd be nice in the morning here, wouldn't it?
Mm.
Okay, done? Don't be running off. You stay here by Dad. Okay?
Oh,
Then Daddy can protect you from the dinosaurs.
Where's the dinosaurs?
This might bring us back down to that road, I think.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm not saying there's millions of snakes here, but they are known to be here. Yeah. So they normally keep away from you, but if you stood on one, it's going to protect itself. So you don't go into anywhere like that. Don't tell them where you are. They're gonna know where you are then, the dinosaur kings.
Oh yeah.
We went back down there, there's the car park's down there.
No, car park's the other side.
Oh.
See, you're lost now, aren't you?
Going this one.
I think we should go back that way and then back that way.
I remember
Oh right.
no, the car park is down there, isn't it?
No, the car's down here.
But there was people walking up here.
Yeah, and we walked down there.
Oh yeah. So how did we get all the way round?
I don't know, that's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah, Hayden. Hayden.
Okay, let's go back down here then. Was that good fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a bit confused now, you don't realise you're going round.
That was the shortcut.
You have to remember the ways now, see, so we don't get lost.
It's just straight.
I was going to say, we'll go back, and that means we're going to go all the way and then back up here. We just come straight across then, haven't we?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because...
That's where the people came out of.
Yeah.
Oh dear, bless you. Oh, bless you, bless you. And the car should be down the bottom of the hill here. That was good, wasn't it? Was that good fun? Next time, when we come, we'll go deeper into the forest. Yeah?
It's too far away.
It's too far away?
Yeah.
What is?
Too far away there.
You tired, Chanel?
Yeah.
Is that enough walking for today?